effort, your coach and your guide. And now, be careful you do not use memorize sentences. The examiners are very particular about it. In part 1, do not elaborate further. Just 1 or 2 sentences, or at the most 3. Useful speaking phrases. See, sometimes you get, just stuck. So you can use actually and but. Now the situation is that when you don't have any experience with the topic, for example, you have to talk about your favorite, and let's say you don't read books very often. Now that could be a case. Now how you will going to be beginning your answer? You could say, actually, I don't read often, but I can tell you about a book I read when I was a child. And then you can go any book, So, but some time you get to think. Now you can also use anyway. If you got a little sidetracked during your answer and you want to return to the main topic, so what you are going to say is, anyway, it was an exciting holiday. And by saying anyway, you return back. Is that clear? The other phrase that can use is apparently. Suppose they say, how is Paris? Any topic, how is So you can say, see, I have never been to or I have never seen but apparently it is a very romantic city. So suppose I'm giving an example of Paris. Now, sometimes you have to do all these things. Okay? Sometimes it becomes necessary to repeat a point. So, sometimes on the cue card or in the part 3, you wanted to, just make your point clear. So, what you will say? As I said before, I went there by plane and therefore I reached very early, and hence I could save a lot of time to look around. I generally go to exotic destinations, but it should not be swamped with a lot of tourists. Now, this is the thing how I repeated, Sometimes you just have to repeat a particular line or a word, and then it should not sound as if you are stuck. So, what you will be doing, as I said before, and then you can do it. This is Mrs. Kundra for IELTS Without Effort, signing off. Thank you. Please share and like this video if you found it useful. And of course, I'm not very good at making videos, but my content is very good as an ex-IELTS examiner, Cambridge University examiner, and I have 33 years of experience of teaching all the age groups. So kindly reach to me and please share and like and hit the icon.